Good morning, boys and girls. Hopefully we're all doing well with our remote learning, getting a little bit easier as we practice more. Hopefully you're doing a few of the things that we've discussed, like developing a routine. That means you're doing the same thing at the same time every day. Very important. Taking short breaks is important. Getting sunshine on your face, very important. And also helping out your parents or whoever you're with all day by completing your work on your own. You know what to do. We have been doing it since the beginning of the year. If you do come across something and you need help, you can always reach out to your teachers. You can chat, request a video chat on Teams, or just chat us or video us on Teams. You can request a Zoom meeting. You can send an email. There's many things you could do. So today we're going to be talking about nonfiction or informational text features. Informational text has information that teaches us something about a topic. It's filled with facts. Facts are things that are known to be true. They answer questions. So the informational texts have text features to help us better understand or comprehend what we're reading, and they make reading, learning, more fun and interesting. Okay, so the first text feature we'll be talking about is the title. The title identifies the topic of the text. Okay, you have the table of contents. The table of contents gives a list of topics and page numbers to help the reader find information in the book. The index tells what page the reader can find certain topics and are mostly found near the end. You will also have a glossary. The glossary tells the definitions of some of the words in the text. So if you are looking at the Scholastic News, then you might not see the table of contents or the index or the glossary. You would find those mostly in books. There's the heading. You will see lots of headings in the Scholastic News. The heading divides the text into sections and explains what each section is about. There are photographs. Photographs show what something looks like. They're taken with a camera, and this is my dog, Jake. Isn't he cute? Illustration shows what something looks like, but it's drawn by an illustrator, and no, I did not draw that. The caption explains what a photograph or illustration is about. Labels names the parts of the photo, illustration, or diagram. So here you have the frog. Frog is a label, but it also labels, it also names the part of the frog. A graph organizes and helps compare information in a visual way. We've done lots of graphs in math. Table organizes facts and numbers in a visual way, so it's easier to read. Here's our multiplication table that we've seen in math also. A map. We love maps. Maps show where places and events are located. And up here, this is Massachusetts. This is the United States of America. Massachusetts is up here in the Northeast. A diagram explains information or how something works in a visual way. This is a diagram of the water cycle. Bold print or keywords. Okay, so you'd see here the bold, I have the bold words circled, and then words to know. So here you'll see the definitions of those words. Show what words are important or what words can be found in the glossary. You won't find a glossary in Scholastic News. Right? A sidebar gives interesting facts or extra information about the topic. So information that's not going to be in the text, but it's in addition to more interesting things. Okay, boys and girls, so that brings us to your assignment for the week. So your assignment, you will search through past issues or the archives of Scholastic News and complete the text feature scavenger hunt I have on the next slide. Then you will write and tell how the text features have helped you understand or comprehend what is being read. Here is the scavenger hunt. It says use any issue of Scholastic News to answer the text feature questions below. If you cannot find a certain text feature, then put an X through the box and have fun, because learning can be fun. All right, and don't forget, you should be reading every day for 20 minutes. If you want to get better at something, then you need to practice. If you want to be a better baseball player, you need to play baseball. If you want to be a better basketball player, you need to play basketball. If you want to be a better reader, you need to read. If you want to be a better writer, then you need to write. So practice might not make perfect, but it will certainly get you close. Okay? Happy reading and writing, and have fun. I'll see you next week.